Hello friends, welcome to our CapCut video editing tutorial. I hope everyone is doing well. Today, I am excited to share another zoom intro tutorial using CapCut. I have added a white color image and set the duration to 8 seconds. Add a default text and adjust the duration. The text color is white, that's why the text is not showing. If you hide the white color image, you will see the text. Change the text color to green. I have selected a bold type font. Change the default text. Increase the font size. I have set the font size to 50. Select all and create a compound clip. Move the compound clip to the above video track. Add a video to the timeline and adjust the duration. Select the compound clip. Enable the comma key from the cutout. Use the color picker and remove the green color. If required, you can increase the strength value. Forward the playhead at 2 seconds duration and add a keyframe to scale. Forward the playhead at 2 seconds and 1 frame duration. At this point, set the scale value to 125%. Forward the playhead at 4 seconds duration and add a keyframe to scale. Forward the playhead at 4 seconds and 1 frame duration. At this point, set the scale value to 150%. Add a keyframe to scale at 6 seconds duration. Forward the playhead at 7 seconds duration. At this point, set the scale value to 500%. Now move the playhead at 6 seconds duration and add a keyframe to the opacity. Forward the playhead at 7 seconds duration and set the opacity value to 0. That's all from this tutorial. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share it with your friends and subscribe for more amazing tutorials.